One thing I love about this truck is the short wheelbase. We even have on camera going in tight driveways, one shot. You run in with a big stick boom, everyone knows they're long. They're hard, they chew up the edges of the driveways. When you're a shorter wheelbase, you're more to stay on the driveway instead of over the edges. Fitting it in tight areas. I can set this thing so fast and easy compared to a stick boom. You could curl around things. You're on a knuckle. You got 3 different pivot points. It's very versatile. Another great thing to mention is, say if your workload's on your left side, you could short stroke your right side, and you're 100% capacity and not taking up the full 29, 30 feet of outrigger space. You can fit it in a tighter area. On your working side, you always want to have as much outriggers out as you possibly can. I always like to set 100% out. I'll do whatever it takes to get to that 100%. We don't live in a perfect world. Understanding your load charts. This is another big topic to go over. There isn't a readout like a stick boom crane. The readouts are percentages. Another thing that I really preach is understanding your wood weight. Every wood has a different weight. Every leaf has a different weight. Moisture, there's 1,010,000 things. This is one of these things that you can't just jump on and think you know the weight of something. This takes years of educating. A pine tree to a live oak, a tulip poplar to an ash tree, a maple tree to a cottonwood. You always go back to your load chart. So with these cranes, you could tell the degree angle through the controller, right? So I always go off like the 45-degree chart. You go past that, you always go to the bottom chart. Always count your extensions. When you count your extensions, you look back at your load chart, or you can even take a picture so it's on your phone so you don't have to walk back to the truck if you're a great distance. So when I communicate with my climber, or if I'm even using a mech head, I count how many jibs I am out. And I always look back at the load chart.